Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Eric back with another video. Today we're going to show you how to stretch your body for the morning, evening, or any part of the day to kind of relax and open up your system. So real quick though, the point of this channel is to build your body, your brain, or your business in any way we can. Say if you want to get a deeper stretch, flex the muscle, hold it for a few seconds, and then relax the muscle. It's really the only difference in what we're going to be doing versus what you can do if you want a deeper stretch, but we'll get into it. Just basically get on the floor. A lot of this is going to be done on the floor. I don't really want to make you move around too much. It's just going to be all pretty stationary. But some of these movements might be tough on the knees, so you can try to find a variation of that. I'll do the best that I can to explain. So let's get right into it. All right, so hopefully you like my jammies. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cross our leg over the knee of our opposite leg, and we're gonna hold that for a few seconds. Let me get my stopwatch going so that we know how we're doing on time. So the point of this is to keep, it's a really good hip stretch. It's probably my favorite hip stretch that you can do. Obviously we lean away from our knee that's on top. Let's get a nice deep stretch in that back and that hip, that outside hip area. Good to hold that position. Really focus on your breathing on these exercises. We're gonna go pretty long holds on most of these exercises, so really breathe into that. If you want, rotate your ear towards your shoulder so you get a little even deeper stretch than you currently are. Okay, switch to the other leg.
Sorry, I can't help with that
Knee on
yet.
top. Thanks, Google. All right. And if you want, you can kind of rotate back and forth, but this is sufficient enough. I really like these exercises because you can do them anywhere. It's probably the most compact exercise you can do, and it gets your hips. So when I'm sitting in bed, sometimes I'll do these exercises. It's really good for, again, the hips. Make sure we're focusing on the breathing. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Get out of that. We're gonna put our feet out in front. Try to keep your back straight. Okay. We're gonna roll into it. Keep your back straight. You can touch your toes. That's great. If not, no worries. Let me get sideways. So you guys see how I'm doing too. Keep the back straight. Don't want to roll over. Nice and straight. The best you can do is the best you can do. If you can only get to your ankles, totally fine. We all have different levels of stretching ability. Again, if you want to really practice getting a deeper stretch, you can flex your hamstrings and your quads. You can kind of push your feet into your hands to kind of create that tension, and then relax. We'll go left leg over right leg. Kind of repeat that same process. If you really want to get a deeper stretch, push that foot into the hands so you can kind of get more tension. Hold that for 5 seconds and then relax for 5. Kind of repeat that process. Once you get really good, once you keep that back straight, you can really reach for it. You'll find that you'll get a much deeper stretch than you can when you're just starting out towards the end. Breathe. Okay, go ahead and switch it. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. This is really good in the morning when you're first starting out. You really relax. Get your body ready for the day. Remember, keep that back straight, nice and tall. Lean into it. A good one to do is breathe in for 5 and breathe out for 5 seconds. Okay. This one's gonna be take your legs out, and we're gonna go straight down. Again, keep the back straight. The goal is to reach your arms out as far in front of you as possible. Keep the back straight again. Really reach and breathe. Oh, okay. Sorry, music is shutting off on me.
Getting stuck sucks.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna come up and go right leg. Reach your arm up and over. Grab that foot. Pull in. Take a lot of tension. Flex, 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 flex. And relax. Breathe deep. Keep that back straight. Okay, left leg. Back straight. Tension, pull, 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 pull. Flex, flex, flex. And let go. Breathe deeply. And out. Okay. Good job. Then we're gonna go butterfly. Okay. Try to tuck those heels into your groin and push down. Try to lock that other knee from going up. Gonna push, 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 push. If you want, try to push with your hand, but pull your knee up. So there's like a friction, creating a lot of tension, and then you relax and you'll find you'll go a little bit deeper. Okay? On the other side. The goal is to have your legs completely flat on the ground. That would be ideal. You can hold this position for a very long time. A good way to do this is to get some weights, something heavy like maybe a book, a couple books, put them in a backpack and put them on both sides of your legs, both legs, and just lay back on the ground and just sit there and let your hips open up. It's really good. Breathe deeply. Okay, awesome. Last two, guys. So get in a nice knee on the ground, other leg up 90 degrees. We're gonna go into a deep lunge like this. Something like that. Try to keep your knee from going past your foot. Nice, good stretch. You want your weight right here going down. Your knee on the ground is pushing down on the floor, or your hip is, the knee that's on the ground, the hip is pushing down into the ground. Nice tall posture. Arms up if you want a deeper stretch. It's more than enough to be fully within. Okay. Can you rock back on that same foot? We'll go for a couple seconds just to get more of the hamstring. Remember, if you want a deeper stretch, you can flex that hamstring. Really roll into it. Flex, flex, flex. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, good. And rotate. Okay. Leg on the ground. Nice tall posture. Sink those hips down. If you want a deeper stretch again, you can put your arms up in the air. Good, 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 good. Okay, 30 seconds. Back on that hamstring. Remember, tall posture, you don't want to round your back. You want it nice and tall, nice and straight. Okay guys, 10 seconds. Breathe into it. Good. Good, good, good. You did great today, guys. That was awesome. Hopefully you guys like the content. If you like it enough, maybe I'll do more of these. Let me know in the comments below so that we can kind of make more content based around stretches and routines and meditations. More of the spiritual side of it. And we can get you guys on a pretty good fitness plan too. A couple workouts in there, who knows? It's wild times, right? So yeah, again, if you liked it, leave us a comment, leave us a like, smash the like button, please, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Hit the bell notifications, and we'll continue to do this kind of stuff. So thanks again. Have a good day, guys.